In today's video, we're diving into the best shopping list apps for Android that can help you stay organized while grocery shopping. If you're ready to take your shopping experience to the next level, let's get started. AnyList, Grocery Shopping List. AnyList Grocery Shopping List is a user-friendly app designed to simplify your grocery shopping experience. Users can easily create, edit, and manage their shopping lists with an intuitive interface. One of the standout features of AnyList is the ability to categorize items, allowing users to group similar products together for convenient shopping. Additionally, the app supports sharing lists with family or friends, making collaborative shopping a breeze. Users can also save their favorite recipes and easily add ingredients to their shopping lists. This app is ideal for anyone looking for an efficient way to manage their grocery shopping and meal planning. Shopping List, Simple Easy. Shopping List, Simple Easy is a straightforward app that focuses on providing a hassle-free shopping experience. With its minimalist design, users can quickly add items to their lists without any distractions. The app allows for easy organization, letting users categorize items and mark them as purchased. It also features the ability to adjust quantities, making it flexible for different shopping needs. Additionally, users can create multiple lists for different stores or occasions. This app is perfect for those looking for a simple and effective way to keep track of their grocery needs. Our Groceries Shopping List. Our Groceries Shopping List is a versatile app that allows users to create and manage their shopping lists across multiple devices. The app makes it easy to sync lists with family members or roommates, ensuring everyone has access to the same up-to-date information. Users can categorize items, and the app automatically sorts them based on the layout of their preferred grocery store. Additionally, Our Groceries supports barcode scanning for easy item entry and allows users to save favorite items for quick access. This app is ideal for anyone wanting a collaborative shopping experience that keeps everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of AnyList Grocery Shopping List, Simple Easy, and Our Groceries Shopping List helps you find the perfect app to streamline your grocery shopping. Until next time, happy shopping.